Developing a simple and effective biocide rotation for aseptic manufacturing can help ensure the full spectrum of microbes are eliminated from the environment. STERIS recommends using a single, robust disinfectant with efficacy in the presence of soil and a single sporicide in tandem. STERIS offers several one-step cleaner disinfectants that can be used daily on floors, high-touch surfaces, and in ISO 5 areas. Start from the cleanest to dirtiest areas. Begin mopping at the point furthest from the door and work backwards towards the door. Apply using a pull and lift technique, always mopping in a single direction using strokes that overlap by approximately 20%. Wait the appropriate contact time. The use of a robust disinfectant will eliminate nearly all bacteria. Next, use a sporicide such as STERIS Spore Cleanse Ready-to-Use Sterilant to eliminate any remaining bacteria and spore formers. The frequency of sporicidal use should be based on how often spore formers are detected through environmental monitoring. Depending on your facility and location, regulations may require specific rotation of chemistries. The STERIS Technical Service Team is ready to offer expertise in developing and streamlining your sanitation program. STERIS Life Sciences, advancing the science of contamination control.